Hi and welcome. I am here today with Xiaomi POCO F3 and I'll be showing you how to both enable and disable NFC. First off, you have to open up the notifications bar and expand this section. Swipe all the way to the left on default settings, and then as you can see NFC is right there. Tap on it and as you can see it has turned blue, and that means it is enabled. And now if we tap on it once again, it is disabled. Let's try it once more. Open notifications bar, expand this section, swipe all the way to the left, tap on NFC to enable it as it is blue, and disable it by tapping again. Come on, I can't then. Okay, so that's everything for this video. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and goodbye.